welcome back to the RB channel once again with Rashid. And yes, I'm on my way to Wadi Defta, and yesterday it was a very heavy rain and I'm going to explore the mountains. I want to see the beautiful waters in the mountains, and yes, everyone appreciated for your comments and like on the channel and sharing the videos, guys. Everyone, thank you so much once again, and catch you in the mountains. Yeah, I've reached at the place. The Wadi Defta is full of water. I'm going for a swim. It's a very amazing place, and still it's cloudy. Yeah, guys, this is the waterfall of Wadi Defta. Yeah, the place is very beautiful and no one is here because everyone is on work today. Yeah, guys, I want to take a swim, but it's really cold. I don't know how. And my friend Abdullah, he's in the house. He went for a break. He's coming back. Let's see. After the swim, guys, I came here, and my friend is also coming here. He said he's going to come out, and this is cloudy and it's very beautiful place. This is raining. I'm leaving from here, and no use, because if I get stuck in the mountains, I'm gone. I'll move to somewhere else because my car is here. Guys, I'm moving back to Maliha because I need to cook my chicken, and the thing is, it was very heavy rain started in the mountain, and I'm moving back and I'm alone, and I told my cousin not to come to me in mountains because it's very heavy rain. I don't want her to get stuck. And yes, catch you in Maliha. Let's see, because I'm waiting for the rain to be stopped, and evening I'm moving back home. Once again, everyone appreciated for your beautiful comments on the channel. Thank you so much, guys. Came in the farm. We have put the fire because I have a chicken to prepare, and alhamdulillah, he came after the duty. And the weather is still beautiful. It's amazing.